In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall the Hubstaff desktop app, whether you're moving to a different tool or simply no longer need the app. Uninstalling it is a straightforward process. Let's take this step by step, and you'll have it removed in no time. First, you'll want to begin by opening Finder on your Mac. You might already be familiar with this application, as it serves as the primary tool for navigating your files and applications on a Mac system. You can easily locate Finder by looking for the blue and white icon at the bottom left of your screen in the dock. Clicking on it will open a window displaying your files and directories. Next, you'll need to locate the Applications folder. This is where all your installed applications live on your computer. To find this folder, once you have Finder open, look along the left sidebar. You will see an icon labeled Applications. Clicking here will display all the applications you currently have installed on your device. Now, within the Applications folder, scroll through your list until you locate the Hubstaff app. As you browse, you might notice many other apps, so be patient and take your time to identify the Hubstaff icon among them. It's important to make sure you select the correct app to avoid uninstalling an application you might still be using. Once you've found the Hubstaff app, it's time to initiate the uninstall process. You can do this by hovering your mouse over the app. Using the two fingers on your trackpad or right-clicking if you're using a mouse will bring up a contextual menu. In this menu, you'll see the option labeled Move to Trash. Click on this option. This action sends the app to your trash, which is similar to placing it in a recycling bin on other operating systems. And there you have it, the Hubstaff app is now uninstalled from your system. However, one last detail to keep in mind is to empty your trash if you want to free up disk space immediately. To do this, simply click on the trash icon located in your dock. Then right-click inside the trash window and choose Empty Trash. This will permanently remove the app from your system. Remember, uninstalling apps you no longer use can help keep your system running smoothly and free up valuable space. So, it's a good habit to periodically review your application list and remove anything unnecessary. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.